Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you the 3 best latest apps that you can use to watch anime legally and for free. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So guys, before we start, just a reminder that the 3 apps that I will show you right now are all legal and safe. They all have license and proper authorization, meaning they are safe to use, legal, and do not violate any policies, so you can use them all without any worries for your security. So for the first best app to watch anime is this app called Bilibili. Bilibili is a legal anime streaming platform with officially licensed content, where some shows are free while others require a premium membership, but a lot of popular animes here are free to watch and ad-supported. So to watch anime here, just tap the anime tab right here to go to the anime section. And here in this section, you will now be able to see a lot of very popular animes you can watch with full series and episodes, so just find whatever you like, and once you've found it, just select the anime and then you will be able to watch it completely. And now for the second app to watch anime is the Crunchyroll app. This app is very popular and tested guys. This app is one of the most trusted and widely used anime streaming platforms in the world. You'll now be able to see Crunchyroll's full library and collection of animes you can watch. So just find the anime you want to watch. You can browse by genre, trending shows, new releases, or just use the search bar if you already know what you want to watch. And once you've found the anime that you like, just tap it to open and then you will now be able to see the anime episodes collection. So just tap the episode that you want and then you will now be able to watch that in full. And by the way guys, if you're having a hard time finding your favorite anime in the library, you can just use the search bar and search for the name of the anime, and then you will be able to see and watch it. And now, for the last app to watch anime for free and legally is YouTube itself. Yes guys, the same app you're using right now to watch this video. You can also use it to watch anime legally, because there are official YouTube channels dedicated to offering licensed anime for free like Muse Asia and Ani1 Asia. So all you had to do is search for those channels and then you will be now able to see a lot of licensed animes you can watch for free and full episodes. Most of the time they also compile the anime into playlists, so it's easier to watch and follow the series in order without missing any episodes. And most of the time, you can watch the anime in multi-subtitles, so you watch it with English subtitles or you can choose your own language as the subtitle by using the auto-caption feature of YouTube. And so that's all for the 3 best apps to watch anime for free and legally guys. Before we end, just a reminder again that all these apps are available to be downloaded on your Play Store and App Store. And I also leave a link for the apps in the description down below if you would like it. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.